Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for sun protection for your lower face, I highly recommend this neck gaiter face scarf cover. This is by OHRAIN. This feels so comfortable and smooth on my face. I love that it's SPF 50+ sun protection and it goes up past my eyes. So when I'm trying to avoid sun damage, this is a perfect scarf face cover for me. I love that it doesn't affect my breathing. I can wear it with sunglasses and my sunglasses don't fog up. I can also adjust it to be at a fit that just feels comfortable for me, especially wraps around my ears and the back. It has Velcro and it attaches, so it has a way to keep it from flying and keeps that neck coverage as well. This is great with the adjustable cords around my ears, and I can pull it down if I need to. I also have this nose hole so I can breathe very easily with this. There is no disturbance when it comes to my breathing at all. This is a wonderful way to keep my face happy and not burnt. This Velcro is really durable. The stitching is high quality. The nose breathing area makes it really convenient, and it's very lightweight, this whole material. The adjustable ears and everything about it is the perfect design for me.
But that's just my point of view.